Do you know you can make $1,400 a day simply by reselling digital products in the e-learning industry, working just 2 hours around your schedule, and the whole business is automated so you can make money while you're sleeping or doing the things that you love. If you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan, and I help everyday men and women make seven figures online without working a job. So I discovered this business in early 2024 because I was sick and tired of being overworked and underpaid. I wanted to figure out how to make money online without working a job. And then I stumbled upon this business because somebody was promoting it on Facebook, the 2 hour workday, 100% profit. And I said, please send me the information. So I launched my business and I've made multiple five figures. I made thousands of dollars with this business so far. And I've learned high income skills like email marketing, attraction marketing, branding, social media monetization, building multiple streams of income. And I've only been doing this for like a year. So I've learned so much and I've made so much in the past year, despite making so many mistakes. Like I wasn't very consistent and I was trying to promote multiple offers, different offers all at once, which, yeah. So I made a lot of mistakes and otherwise I probably would have made a lot more money. But hey, you live and you learn. So to be successful with this business, all you need is Wi-Fi, your phone, and 2 hours a day. And then you're following a 2 hour workday. Like you're doing simple things like posting 3 pieces of content a day to social media, going live on social media, and copying and pasting free ads. So if you can learn to attract a customer a day at $1,400, that's $42,000 a month and $511,000 a year. Would learning these skills help you? Of course, results aren't typical. Everything's based on your effort and your mindset. So don't be typical, right? If you want to learn more about this business and how you can make $1,400 in a day, just go to sevenfiguremonk.com. There's a link in my bio. Just put in your email and then check your folders for the word blueprint and then check out all the information. There's 3 videos you can watch. There's a PDF that shows you how to make 10K in 30 days. And there's also a website and everything that you can check out at sevenfiguremonk.com. Okay. Now I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you exactly what this business looks like, how to get started. I'm going to show you our community and I'm going to show you like how I post content to attract customers. Okay. So let me share my screen real quick. Let me just get it set up so it's on the right page. Okay. Yeah, here it is. Okay. So one sec. Yeah, let me share it. Sharing is caring. Okay. Just like I don't want you to be broke anymore, so I'm sharing this business with you. I don't want you to be stressed out financially, so I'm sharing this business with you. Okay. I'm on a mission to make 1,000. I want to help create 1,000 self-made millionaires. I want to help 1,000 people make $1 million online. Okay. So this is the business. This is what we sell. We sell these digital programs in the e-learning industry, which is like $1 billion a day industry. So unlock 10 income streams today. There's 10 income streams. Okay. So you can earn $100, $300, $600, $900, and $1,400 over and over again in English and in Spanish. That's how we have 10 income streams. Okay. And you get to keep 100% of the profit, right? Earn 100% profit from a done for you digital business. So we're reselling these digital programs. What do these digital programs teach? They teach you how to make 7 figures online with digital marketing, how to build multiple streams of income. Okay, that's what we teach. So this is what the website looks like. You're gonna have a website that looks just like this. Now people can go here and they can purchase one of the programs, right? See, they can purchase the $1,400 program, or they can purchase the 100, the 300, the 600, or the 900, okay? So you can go to my website, sevenfiguremonk.com. You can check it out. This is how it looks. I'll just show you what it looks like. So what makes us cool is, you can earn $1,400 in a day. You don't have to create anything. You get to keep 100% of the profits. We have a certification training you can go through. Okay. This program is in Spanish. This business is in Spanish and in English. So you can get customers from all over the world, global business, people who speak English or Spanish. Okay. We also teach you how to use AI to build your business. You're going to learn AI. Here's testimonies on your website. Here's your bio section. You just put your picture in and here's your bio. Yeah. So this is basically what the website looks like. You get to use the same website that I'm using. Your website will be branded to you. My website is branded to me. Okay. So people can go and they can purchase the 1,400, the 900, the 600, the 300, or the 100. Plus there's also installment plans as well. Okay. So if you want to launch this business, then you just purchase one of these programs. Just like I invested $1,400. First, I invested $900 originally, and then we launched the $1,400 product. So I upgraded. So I invested in the $1,400 product. And if you do the $1,400 product, you get 10 income streams. Okay. If you do the 900 product, you get 4 income streams, 100, 300, 600, and 900. Whereas the $1,400 product, you get 100, 300, 600, 900, and $1,400 per sale. Or you can do the 600, the 300, or the 100. So your customers, they can purchase from you any of the programs. And there's also installment plans. There's payment plans for you or your customers. Okay. And then you also get these bonuses when you get started. You get access to our community for free, which is priceless because you get mentored and coached from 6- and 7-figure income earners for free. Plus you get community training, you get support, you get mentorship, you get all that stuff. Like you need that, like you really need a community. If you want to make money online, you really want to be part of a community where you can like plug into for like emotional support and inspiration. It's really important. Okay. Then you get these other bonuses. You get like community builders training, how to create your own community and monetize it. You get to learn how to create content with Canva. You get my first million in 17 months blueprint from my friend Michelle. You get a 30-day market strategy PDF growth plan, your invisible empire faceless marketing, 200 digital product ideas so you can create your own products. Okay. So that's basically the website. You can check it out. Like I said, just go to 7figuremonk.com. Okay. Now let's say you decide to start this business and you purchase one of the programs. Well, as soon as you purchase your program, you'll have access to your program in here. Okay. Inside of Kajabi, right? You're going to have access to your program. You'll have access to the community. Okay. So here's your certification training, your bonuses, and the program itself. Like I said, the program teaches you how to make 7 figures online with digital marketing. So you just go through the program, right? So you're learning from the program and then you can resell the program. Okay. So phase 1, foundation, becoming the leader of your business and setting it up for success. Phase 2, attraction, focus, learning to stand out online and attract your perfect customer. Phase 3, engagement, turning attention into connection so people move closer to buying. Phase 4, conversion, monetization through automation and confidence in inviting. Phase 5, leveraging AI. Learn how to leverage AI to streamline your content and your content creation and business. Phase 6, monetize and multiply. Scale beyond one system. Build wealth, impact, and legacy. Okay. Then there's additional trainings. More stuff will always be added. Like we're always adding more stuff. Like finding your perfect customer, discovering your perfect customer. Okay. Additional trainings. Then you can watch the replays. All the replays are here as well. Okay. The millionaire mentoring replays are there as well. Okay. So that's where your program is. And one of the first things you need to do if you want to resell these programs, you have to set up your website. So you go to website setup and you just start from the beginning, right? You set it up. It shows you like what you're going to need. It's going to show you everything that you need, you know, what accounts you need to open. It's going to show you everything. Then it's going to show you how to go to GoDaddy, like how to get your own domain and your own professional email address at GoDaddy, how to attach your payment gateways like Square, Stripe, PayPal. Okay. It's going to show you how to do that. And yeah, it's going to show you how to connect everything. So you just got to connect everything. Basically, you just watch these videos, right? Like it shows you how to connect things. Basically, you watch these videos and you copy and paste your information. And then when you're finished, you're going to have a whole sales funnel, a system, an automated business that looks like this. Okay. This. Okay. Oh yeah. So like before people go to your website, I forgot to show you this. They're going to go through your sales funnel, right? They're going to go here. They're going to put their email in. You're building your email list with a capture page. Then they're going to go here and they're going to watch a video. This video is doing the selling for you. Plus there's wins from our community. Okay. And then here's another video we send in people's emails, which takes them back to the website where they can buy the product from you. So that's where you keep your program. This is where your program is. This is where your bonuses are and your certification training. Now let me show you inside of the community. Okay. This is where you get all the support, the mentoring, the coaching. It's all inside of our community. We have 57,000 people in our community. Around 100 people join us every day. Okay. Or about 100 people are joining this business every day. So we're doing like 100,000 in sales almost daily. Right. And you just go to the pin post, you see what's going on. Then you go here And this is where you can introduce yourself, post your wins, ask questions, right? And let's go to the win section. Let me show you proof that people are making money simply by reselling these programs, right? So look, she made $1,600 in the last week, guys. $1,600 in the last week based on what she's learned from our programs, okay? All the money I've made with this business is what I've learned from the program itself. Keep that in mind. 800,000 rands in 14 months. She's from South Africa. Global business paid out in American dollars. So you can get customers from outside of America and they get paid in American dollars because this business was launched in America. Cha-ching, another $900 sale just a couple minutes ago. You can see the proof. There's the proof through Stripe. See, this is Stripe proof. So here, I'm just showing you proof that people are making money by reselling the programs. Unexpected $300 sale, okay? So we have 30 posts per page and there's like 32,000 pages of wins. So we have close to 1 million wins, okay? All kinds of wins. Some are money wins, some are whatever people want to post, okay? Like this person posted, what did she post? Lost it. Yeah, she posted this. This is her win. My first live on TikTok. That's her win. So people can post whatever wins they want to post. And then in the classroom, you have more training. So you have training in the program and you have training in the classroom too. Getting started here, we do these 90-day runs. We show you how to make 30K in 90 days. You get daily millionaire mentoring. It's like a, 2 to 7 minute video that you watch every day. And then you implement it into your business. You get all these other bonus trainings like content training, social media training, mindset training. You can watch the mentoring Zoom replays. If you missed one of the live calls, you can watch the replay. 6 figures in 6 months training. Okay. If you go to the calendar, this shows you when we have our live events. Tomorrow we have a global freedom launch going on. Okay. So we got all these different live events, millionaire mentoring every Monday. There you go. And yeah. So like I said, to make money with this business, all you got to do is get started, purchase a program, then get started. And once you're inside it, then you're just following a 2-hour workday. Okay. So that 2-hour workday, this is exactly what we teach. You can like minimum post 3 pieces of content every day to social media. Then you can also go live on social media and you can also copy and paste free ads to high traffic websites. Okay. That's what we teach. So you can create as much content as you want. You can go as live as much as you want and you can post as many ads as you want. But we have like a 2-hour workday. So you do it around your schedule. Like what do? I post 3 pieces of content every day and I go live mostly. I don't really post free ads too often. So I go live and I post content every day. That's how I've made a multiple 5 figures. Okay. So I'm going to show you an example of how I post content using YouTube. You can use any social media platform you want, right? I like to use YouTube. I also use Facebook. I also use Instagram and I also use TikTok mainly. Okay. Now let's go to my YouTube channel, right? So here's my channel. Now I create all these videos, right? I create these long form videos. These are videos over 10 minutes. You can see they're all about my business. Long form videos, okay? You can create a YouTube channel just for this business, right? Then I do shorts, all about this business. I'm doing like talking videos, right? Talking videos, talking. See, here's when I had my fun. I posted like my win. I made $1,400. I posted that. Okay. You can do picture posts, videos, 7-second videos, talking videos, long videos, short videos. There's like no limit to like the amount of content and that you can create and the different styles of content that you can create. Use your imagination, be creative, have fun with it, right? I've seen people promote things in so many different creative ways, which is nice. Like if you're a creative person like myself, then I love to create content, guys. I love creating this stuff because it just gets my creative juices flowing. Okay, here's my lives. I go live on YouTube and TikTok simultaneously. And then here's my posts. Like I do written posts, picture posts with words. Sometimes it's value, has nothing to do with my business. I just give people tips, motivation, inspiration. Other times it's like a business post. This is about my business. Value, business. There you go. Okay. So that's how I create content. Now, if you see an opportunity and you're ready to get started, just go to sevenfiguremonk.com. The link is in my description. Otherwise, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who needs it. If you know anyone who's looking for ways to make money online, legitimate ways to make money online, and if you know anyone who's just like sick and tired of being overworked and underpaid, they're sick of working 40+ hours a week, and they want to learn how to make money online without working a job, then share this video with them. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless.